Okay, so now fine. So these things already we have, these things already implemented in what application. Okay, na. So guys, Sudhir, don't message me as a private, like directly, right? Uh, whatever your query and questions and all those things is there, right? Everyone can see guys, he is just joining now. Okay, already 8 minute, right? Just 8 minute explanation is completed now. And can you please repeat, I just joined. So this is your problem, man. This is not my problem, right? Exact at 2 p.m. I started this session, even not exact at 2 p.m., right? 2 I think 2 4, just 4 minute 5 minute discussion is going on. Suddenly you are putting what message, can you please repeat, I just joined. This is not my problem, right? When you will join half an hour late, before 2 p.m., right? So this is your problem. Okay, I'm delivering the subject at exact time. Join it and take the benefit. Okay, based on your query a question, I can't repeat again and again same things. Okay, what is the mentality, yaar, and what is the thought process before putting the message or questioning anyone, right? Think twice. Is it, this is the question is good, correct, and I'm questioning correct. What is that? He in the meeting other 18 member are full. This is your problem, right? Not my problem. You are joining late and you are saying that repeat it again. Okay, so now let's move on. Okay, let's move on. Fine. So same like, okay, let's understand that these things as what diagrammatically, guys. Okay, let's understand these things as what diagrammatically. So I'm going to open what notepad. Okay, so yesterday we seen that, right? Yesterday based on that only, but some extra things is there. Today our application, what is that? All roles and what roles and username password will come from what? Will come from what? Database, guys. Okay, today all those things will come from what? Database. Okay, na. So now what is that? Okay, this is the yesterday, right? Yesterday explanation is there. Our application, what is that? Yesterday application explanation is there. Same thing will be there, right? But here today, what is that? Here database will be there, right? Here what is that? Database will be there. But to working on database, much things is there, guys. Okay, much things is there, and this is the reality. And what is that? This is the reality. But what is that? To storing the data, right? Storing this information in the database, what is that? We have need what? We have need like, what is that? Facebook, right? Facebook, what I said that first, what we are doing now, guys, creating the form, right? In the form, what we are giving the information, right, to store in the database, right? Based on that information, what we are going now, we are doing taking the username and password now. So let's move on and we will see that. Okay, we will see that what is that. So first what we will do now, guys, what we will do now, we will create one form, right? One form, right? In this form, what is that? We will, this is the, what is that? User registration form. We will give, what is that? User, what is that? Register form, right? This is what? User register form. In this user register form, what will be there now, guys? What we will give, what is that? Just think about that username, right? Username will be there, right? Another one is what? You email we will give, right? Email we will give. And what is that? Password. Password we will give. After then, what is that? Roles we will give, right? See that What is that in the yesterday only? What is that? Username is there in the RAM memory and password is there, and what is that? Roles is there. What is the role? Employee, admin, student, right? These things we will specify based on that what? Based on that what, guys? Based on that what? User roles, right? Roles. So now, okay, fine. Now, so what we will do now? Here we will give what? Roles, right? Roles we will give, what is that? Two. Today we will give only two roles, right? Here, what is that? Username, email ID will be there, and password will be there, and what is that? Check boxes, we will give two check boxes. Okay, after then what is that? Here we will give one more. What is that? Here we will give what? One what? One register button, right? We will give what? Register button to end user, right? End user we will give what? One register button. Okay, so now here we will give one what? Admin. So admin, right? Admin. Another one we will give, what is that? We will give, what is that? Employee, right? Employee. These two role we will give, right? These two role we will give. Okay, so now based on that, what is that? We will give, this is what? One form equal to, what is that? One model is there, right, guys? Okay, right now. So okay, what is that? What is the model data will be there, guys? What is the model data will be there? See that. Okay, see that. Okay, okay, what is the model data? Okay, we will specify the package name is what? We will specify the package name is what, guys? Just com.rk dot, what is that? Com.rk dot model, right? Model. This is the package name. Okay. So, okay, this is the user information, right? So we will decide the class name as what? We will decide the class name as what? User, right? User. We will decide the class name as what? User. Now next one, what we will do now? Next one, what we will do now? We will take the attributes inside this class, right? Private, what is that? User ID, right? User ID. Okay, so this ID is what? This ID is what? Number, sorry, integer, right? Another one is what, guys? Another one, username, right? Username. So what is that? User name, right? Username is nothing but, what is that? Is string data, right? String data. Another one is what, guys? Another email, right? Email. Okay, user email also, what we will take is string only, right? Now again, what variable we will decide? User password, right? User pwd. This is also, what is that? A string only, right? Again what? Another one is what? Roles roles is nothing but what, guys? Roles is what? This is what? Select box, but this is the string data only. So for that, which kind of data we will take now? Roles is nothing but, what is that? List of data, guys. Okay, list of what? List of what? String, right? String data, right? Okay, so this is what our model class will be there now. Okay, now my screen is properly, letters are visible, guys. Shall I increase the font? Can you use the chat box now?
All are good, Ravi. All are good. No issue.
Okay, fine now, guys. So now fine. Okay, so uh Ayodele, yes sir means what I can understand. Font, can I increase or shall we continue in this font only? Very good, na? Okay. So now fine, guys. Okay, so now okay. So this is our what? Model data, right? This is what? Our model data now. So okay, so this is what? Our model data, guys. Okay, based on that form only, our model data will be there now. Okay, fine. So this is what? Our model data, right? This is what? Entity. Sorry, uh, UML diagram, right? This is what? Our model data UML diagram, guys. Okay, so now fine. So same, like based on that, what we will do now? Based on that, what is that? Based on that, see, guys, in the database. But here, what we are doing now? What we are doing now? List, right? List of employees there, right? List of employees there. Based on that, only one model, right? We will create two table in the database. Means we are saying that what? We are saying that Okay, whatever our data is there, please store in the database as a what? Normalization form, right? Normalization form. I hope people, mm, I don't have much knowledge about normalization database, guys, but people will listen. Maybe one or two time you heard about that. What is the normalization? How many type of normalization? BCN of first normal form, second normal form. I hope I can expect at least this word you people are listened, right? No, not a three, not a three Amrani, right? Four, five is there, right? Five normal form is there, but third is the good only. Okay. So now fine, guys. Okay, na? So now fine. Okay, guys. Okay, thanks for your response. Now let's move on. Okay, let's move on and we will see that. Okay. So this data, right? This data, user data, we will store inside that what? Database. So think about that. This is what? Our database, right? So think about that. This is what? Our database. Now, okay. So this is what? Our database. Okay, na? Inside this database, guys, what will happen now? Inside this database, inside this database, one user table will create, right? One user table will create. Okay, another one is what? Roles table will create, right? Another one is what? Roles table will create, right? Another one is what? Roles table will create. Okay, so now fine, guys. Okay, so here what is that? How many roles we are taking? Two roles, right? Admin and employee. Now, okay, fine. Now, so here one more things. Okay, now inside this one, what is that? If- what is the data is there? User ID. Here what will become? UID. UID. Another one is what? Uname. Uname. Another one is what, guys? You email, right? You email. Okay, now fine. You email. Another one is what? User PWD. You PWD, right? This is the data. This is the data, right? But this is the data. Now fine. Here think about that. Just what I'm going to do now, guys. What I'm going to do now. Okay. So now, okay. So this information from here to here, right? From here to here, this information will store in what? In what? In this database, right? In this table, and this rows information will store in what? In this table, guys. Okay, in this table. Now, okay, fine. So think about that. Just I'm taking what? One. Just here I'm taking what? Only one. Username. I'm taking what is that? Username. Okay, username, right? Username, just I'm taking what? My name only, right? Ravi I'm taking, right? And what is that? User, what is that? UML, right? User, just I'm taking r at the rate gmail.com, right? This is what? At the rate, what is that? G cm, just .com, right? And password is what? Password is what? I will tell you guys, in the database real time password we are storing in the encrypted format. Maybe in hacker in the future, right? If hacker will hack what? Database. So if he know that password, right, then he can do wonders about what that company. Okay, so because of that, I that discussion is still left, because in the yesterday concept I used what is that? In here only noobs, right? Noobs, those things I will explain is that. Okay, and now I will explain it. Okay, where in memory application is there, right? In memory application, what is that? I said that, right? We will get what? Null pointer exception. To avoid null pointer exception, I use what is that? Noobs, right? Noobs. Okay, I will tell why I'm using and what is the use of that. Okay, so spring want what is that? Encrypted password there, right? But we are eliminating that encrypted password functionality. Okay, because of that we used what? Noobs. Because of that we are using what? No, so think about that. 1 2 3 4 only password is there, right? So this is what? This is the information about that what? User, guys. Okay, user. Okay, so now fine. Here what is that? Here this ID, based on this ID, right? Here ID. So this is what? User table, right? You tab, right? User table, user detail table, UD tab. Think about that. This is a UD, user detail tab. Okay na? And here this is what? User role tab, guys. Okay, role tab, right? User roles tab. Inside this means user role table, and this is what user what is that? User detail table. Okay, so here what is that here? So okay, so what kind of authority we will give this user, to which pages will access, based on that role only, right? Role only. Yesterday we seen that authentication and authorization meaning, right? So now, okay, fine. So here what will happen now, guys? So here what will happen now? Here what will happen now, guys? So here one. So here ID UID, here UID will become, and here what is that? Roles, right? Roles, roles, right? Here what is that? Roles will become. Now inside this, what next? What we will do now, guys? What we will do now? Okay, so here one, right? Here primary key, right? Primary key will become what? Foreign key. And here what is that? Roles is what is that? Just I'm taking what is that? Admin. So this role will become what? Here in the separate table, what is that? Admin. And based on this primary key, it will map, guys. Okay, based on this one primary key, it will map here. Okay, so now, okay, so fine now, guys. Okay, so this is the structure of what? To what is the user what is that? User register process, right? User register process. So first what we will do now, we know that layered application, Pojo and Poji programming, right? In the last session, all session we are implementing based on that design pattern only our application, right? Our application is what? Based on that design pattern only, right? So now fine, guys. Okay, so let's what? Let's implement first this area, right? First we have need to work on what? This area, right? This area. Then then what is that? Then we will implement what? Security concept, right? Then what we will do now? We will implement what? A security concept. You people want to DFD also of this user register? Let me know that, guys. You people want DFD also? Data flow diagram, right? Using what? UML, or this much diagram is enough? Let me know that, guys. Use the chat box. Use the chat box, guys. Everyone, I want response, guys. You people want what is that? DFD also, or this much explanation is enough? See, boss, don't feel hesitate, okay, na? Here, if you hesitate, then when you will get what? When you people will deploy in the project, that time problem will be there, because I face all those things, okay? I'm not getting everyone response, guys. Rahul Raj. Rahul Raj, what is the nice? Okay, so now let's implement. Okay, let's implement it based on this one only, right? Based on this one only. What is that? Let's implement our what? Our application, right? Let's implement what? Our application. Okay, and see that. Okay, in the database, right? This is the data only. So I said that yesterday, right? I'm going to implement in the last project only, guys. Whatever we have already project, in that project only I'm going to implement. But before implementing, I'm going to run this application front of you, and whoever new in this session, right? Please see that working functionality of that. But there is no use of those area, right? Security concept we are implementing today, based on that what is that yesterday discussion in the same application. Okay, don't feel okay this application is old only and you are implementing, and we are not understanding. Everyone will understand. Okay, okay. Oh, Rahul. Yes, yes. Okay, so now, okay, so okay, so don't worry about that. This project is old and I'm not understanding. Okay, don't bother about the project, right? Here, I'm not going to implement. Just I'm giving the implementation in the application, but everything is a fresh here only, right? In the security concept, everything is a fresh only. But whenever I will give what is that authorization at the time, I will use whatever usage is there at that time. I will explain it also, guys. Okay, everyone will understand, don't worry. Okay, if any think like any thought process is there in your mind, you I'm not understanding, remove it. Okay, remove it. And until unless if I'm not completing the session, right? uh, Once if I complete it, all things I will clear, right? All things, whatever your doubt will be there, everything will be clear at the ending of session. It's my promise to you people. Okay, so now fine, guys. Okay, so here what we will do now, so first I'm going to run this application, right? This is what my last application, last spring MBC onward I'm developing this application. Okay, now whatever first I'm explaining each and everything, and those things I'm implementing in the project only now. So I'm running this application now, guys. uh, Within the 8 minute, guys. Okay, I'm using what, again I'm saying what, I'm using free Zoom meeting. And until unless if I'm not saying what is that, today's session is completed. Okay, please rejoin yourself, because by default within the what, 10 minute, 8 minute, this meeting will end. Okay, again we will reconnect and we will see the things. Okay. Guys, I'm stopping screen sharing after running the application, right? I will share it. Okay, because my system is not giving to permission. Okay, without. Dharmendra, Dharmendra, basically from, you are from where, man? Look like I know that your face. Jharkhand. Oh, then I don't know. Then I don't know. I thought that, yeah, I know that. Like look like one. Okay, now application is running now. Okay, so now I'm sharing. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now, I'm copying this one. Okay, so here paste it. Okay, here what is that, so employee, right? Employee page. Yeah, see, this is the employee page, right? Inside that, just what I'm going to take, Amit employee password, what is that, 12345. Just I'm taking what is that, mail, and this data, right? This address I'm taking what, India. Now I'm registering. See, one employee saved successfully, right? One employee save what, successfully. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to see the list of data, right? I'm going to see the list of data. See that one Amit, one what is that, one Amit data is stored in the database from the India, right? If you want to edit it, see that this form will come, right? After then what, if you want to delete this record, click on the delete, right? All functionality is working, right? All functionality is working in the application, right? So in this application, but this is what, without security application, guys. Okay, this application is nothing but what, without security. So what we will do now, what we will do now in this application only, I'm going to what? I'm going to what? Implement security concept, right? Security concept. So now, okay, this is the our small project functionality is there. In this application, we are going to what? Implement. We are going to implement what? Spring Security, right? We are going to implement what? Spring Security. So now let's, what is that? Now stop the application now. So what I'm going to do now, guys? What I'm going to do now? So first, what is that? Based on that, what our diagram, right? Based on that, what our UML model diagram. Let's what? Let's develop one what? Let's develop one what? Our what? Model data, model class, right? So come inside that, right? Come inside that what? SRC main, right? SRC main Java. Okay, so now fine, guys. So here, what is that? Multiple folders are there, right? Multiple folders are there. Inside that, come inside that what? Model class. So inside that, create one class. Create what? User class, right? I'm creating one user class. Now fine, guys. Okay, so what is that? User class, right? User data, just I'm writing, what is that? User only. Okay, user data only I'm taking. What is the user data, right? User data. Now finish it. So now, okay, so if you want to make this class as what? If you want, okay, no, still no, okay, still no, okay. So let's first write the variables, all variables, right? So now, guys, fine. Okay, so what is that? Private, what the data is there, whatever data is there, right? Integer ID, name, email, password, and the roles, right? Roles. Now fine, guys. Okay, so let's write those things. Okay, let's what? Write ID, user ID, right? ID, this is nothing but what is that, guys? Integer, right? This is nothing but what? Integer. Fine. Now, so next one is what? Next one is what? Private what? String, right? String user what? String user what? Username, right? Username. Another one is what? Private what? Private string user pwd, right? String user, what is that? User string pwd. And another one more is it there, right? Private what? Private string, what is that? User mail, right?
Email.
User mail, right? User mail. Another one is what? Another one is what? One more, roles, right? Roles, what is that? See that, see in the form only, roles, right? Roles, password, username, all those things we are taking, right? So now what is that? Private, what is that? List of, right? List of what? String, right? String. List of what? String. This is nothing but what? Roles, right? Rules, right? So this is our what? Model data. Generate what? Setter and a getter method. What is that? Alt Shift S plus what? R, right? Select what? R. Generate what? Setter and a getter method. Alt Shift S plus S. Two string also generated. Okay. So now, okay. So here what is that? Generate zero param constructor explicitly also. So Alt Shift S plus O. Now deselect all. Okay. So deselected, I deselected. Now another one more thing, what we have need to do, one more, right? One more thing we have to, one ID, with the ID, right? With the ID also generate one constructor. Okay, I will tell when we will use it. Alt Shift S plus what? O. Deselect all first and select user ID and generate it. Okay, so two constructor, what we are doing now, two constructor be generated, guys. Okay, two constructor be generated. So now next what we will do now, next our model class data is completed. Our model class data is completed now, guys. Okay, but we have need to make this class as what? Entity class, right? Database class. So what we will do now, we will apply at the rate in the at the top of what is the at the rate entity, right? At the Create entity. After then I don't want what is that this name in the database, so I want my choice name. So for that @table, @table, right? @table, what is that name? Name inside that, what is that? What we will give the table name, guys? User underscore, what is that? Tab I'm giving, right? After then what is that? @id, right? @id